If your garden isn't flourishing the way you hoped, the culprit might be hiding beneath your feet, your soil. Many gardeners overlook soil health, but it's the foundation of every lush flower bed and thriving vegetable patch. Today, we'll explore 5 of the most common soil problems and show you exactly how to fix them, so your plants can reach their full potential. Let's dig in. Waterlogged soil, a drainage disaster. Does your garden feel like a swamp after heavy rain? Waterlogged soil suffocates plant roots and creates the perfect environment for root rot and fungal diseases. Solution: improve drainage. Mix in coarse sand, perlite, or small gravel to loosen up compacted areas. Organic matter boost. Add compost or well-rotted manure to help regulate moisture. Elevate with raised beds. If poor drainage is a persistent problem, build raised beds filled with light, well-draining soil. Strategic planting. Choose water-tolerant plants like willows, irises, and ferns for naturally wet areas. Nutrient-deficient soil. When plants lack fuel. Are your plants growing slowly, producing weak blooms, or showing discolored leaves? A lack of essential nutrients could be the issue. Solution: test before you amend. Use an at-home soil test kit, or send a sample to a local extension service. Nitrogen deficiency, pale, stunted growth. Feed your soil with blood meal, fish emulsion, or composted manure. Phosphorus deficiency, purple leaves, weak roots. Work bone meal, rock phosphate or bat guano into the soil. Potassium deficiency, weak stems, brown leaf edges. Add wood ash, banana peels, or kelp meal. Apply a balanced compost. A 1 to 2 inch layer of rich compost each season helps maintain steady nutrient levels. pH problems, too acidic or too alkaline. Soil pH determines how well plants absorb nutrients. If your flowers or vegetables seem unhealthy despite fertilizing, the pH may be off balance. Solution: test first. A simple pH meter or soil testing kit can reveal if your soil is too acidic, which means a low pH, or too alkaline, which means a high pH. Raise pH to fix acidic soil by applying garden lime at a rate of 5 to 10 pounds per 100 square feet, working it into the topsoil. Lower pH to fix alkaline soil by using elemental sulfur or peat moss to gradually increase acidity. Mulch for pH balance by using pine needles and coffee grounds, which can help keep soil acidic for plants like azaleas and rhododendrons. Compacted soil, when roots can't breathe. If your soil is hard, dry, and difficult to dig into, compaction could be limiting plant growth by restricting water and oxygen movement. Solution: aerate manually by using a garden fork to loosen soil without over-tilling. Grow cover crops like deep-rooted radishes or clover to break up compacted soil naturally. Add organic mulch with a 2 to 3 inch layer of straw, leaves, or wood chips to encourage earthworm activity and improve soil structure. Limit foot traffic by creating pathways to avoid stepping directly on planting beds. Contaminated soil, hidden toxins in your garden. If your garden is near an old building, roadway, or industrial site, heavy metals and pollutants could be lurking in your soil. Solution: get a lab test if contamination is suspected by sending a sample for professional testing. Use raised beds and fill them with clean, tested soil and organic compost. Try phytoremediation with certain plants, like sunflowers and mustard greens, which can absorb toxins. Just don't eat them after they've been used for soil cleanup. Apply biochar, a natural carbon-rich material that binds contaminants and improves soil health over time. Keep your soil thriving. Year after year. Fixing soil problems isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process of improvement and maintenance. By regularly testing your soil, adding organic matter, and practicing smart gardening techniques, you'll ensure that your plants have the best possible growing environment. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more expert gardening advice. Let's grow something amazing together.